everyone. It has officially snowed in the mountains here in Montana and even a little bit in town. So I thought that I would switch out my summer wardrobe for some of my warmer clothes. And I don't have all that much to switch out hanging wise. It's mostly going to be this trunk that's down there and then storage that's under my bed. Because I keep most of my sweatshirts and things up here. So I'll pack some of it away, but we'll see how much I can kind of bring in. Problem is, these sweaters that I have are going to take up a lot of space. So we'll see how that goes. I still don't know where my mic is, so we're going to try our best with this audio. I also am wearing my pajamas, so this is just going to be a cozy little hangout while I sort through my clothes. So like I said, all of my sweatshirts and bulkier things are kind of up here, so there probably will be only a couple things that I need to pull from there. I feel like I really should declutter and get rid of some of them, but I love them all, and I do wear them. I swear. So, yeah, let's start pulling the few items that I can from it, at the very least. I got this for a Greta Van Fleet concert. I love it. I love it so much. But I feel like it can be packed away because I just don't really wear it. I got these sweatpants. They're really thin, so I'm gonna pack those away because it's cold. This dress is definitely a summer dress. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna unroll it because I don't need to do more work than I need to. Oh my god, no way. I wore this with the price tag on it. Oh, it was on the inside, so hopefully it wasn't visible, but oh my gosh. That's kind of embarrassing. Okay, so I have... Oh, dude. I completely forgot that I bought these. Man, this is so insane. Like, the out of sight, out of mind thing is so true. Because I bought these Wranglers a few weeks ago, and I completely forgot that I did that. That's scary. Oh my god. I bought them specifically to wear with my cowboy boots because I only have one pair of jeans that are long enough to wear with them. So I have these. So these are definitely staying. And what I think I might do is replace all of these hanging shorts with my jeans. Because the jeans do take up a lot of space, so it'd be kind of nice to hang them and then see them all. I don't know. Still working out that idea, but that might be the move. These are like Jinko shorts. They're like really long. I think I'll keep the black ones out because I might wear those sometime in the next couple weeks. I just kind of bought them for funsies. I know they're ridiculous, but I think they're fun. So I'm going to put these ones away, though, because I only need one pair out, really. My mom made me this, and I love it so much. Look how cool. I need to wear this more for sure, but it's hard because I can't wear it to work because I wear a vest there, and I don't want to get it dirty. So, I'm going to put this with all of my sweaters. These jeans are super cute. Keeping those. These Levi's fit kind of weird, but I haven't found a pair to replace them, so here we are. I have one that's boot cut and one that's straight legged. This pair of pants I stained, And so I want to, like, paint in them and just get painted on them because I don't really care what happens to them. So I don't want to get rid of them, but I feel like they don't need to live there. I think there's a better spot for them. Put this sweatshirt with the other sweatshirts. These are ripped in pants that I bought in a smaller size. They are my favorite pants, so yeah. Okay, sweatpants can go right here. I kind of want to pull this vest out, actually, because I think I want to just hang this on the back of my door with the rest of my vests, or maybe hang them in the hallway closet is actually probably what I'm going to do, because I thankfully have a little bit of room in the hallway closet, so I think I'll probably put some of my vests in there because I don't have that much room in here. That's going to be the top row. That's all done. I don't know if I'm going to put jeans up here in this corner or if I want to put my sweaters up there. I guess I'm kind of unsure on what I want to do with that. Let me just start pulling stuff from down here and then we'll worry about that later. Okay, I'm in dire need of coffee and I ran out at my house, so let's go get a coffee and maybe something to eat. Well, hey dear. I went and got coffee and it did not help the motivation. I'm kind of wrestling with a few different ideas right now. So I have a stack of flannels that are over here out of frame. And then I have a stack of jeans over here. And then I have a stack of sweaters that are over there. I really only have like 2 spots for the amount of stuff that I have. I kind of think that I think I'm going to put my jeans up on the top shelf because they fold really nicely. And then I think I'm going to put my sweaters in the cedar chest. I kind of don't want to because they're so pretty to look at. And I leave my I leave my closet doors open usually. So they're just nicer and prettier to look at than my sweatshirts. However, I wear my sweatshirts more than I wear my sweaters because I usually don't wear sweaters to work because I don't want to wreck them. And so I think practicality-wise, they should go into the chest. The other thing that I'm wrestling with are all these like summer dresses and skirts. I have a bin, another one of these guys that's down here, that I have most of my like fancy dresses in. So I might just toss those in there. And then I have another empty one of these. So I don't know if I should just put my flannels in there, but then I don't grab them is the issue. I think what I actually might do is just hang them in my closet, because then I'm more likely to reach for them. Because like those jeans that I found earlier, out of sight, out of mind. And so I just want to see all my clothes so that I'll wear them all. Okay, so I think that's going to be the plan. Jeans up top, sweaters in the trunk, and then hang the flannels. Put the summer stuff in the bin down here. And then I might just have an empty bin that I will decide what I'll put in there. Maybe, actually, what I should do is put my ski, like, base layers and mid layers in there, because that's usually a stack. So maybe I'll leave that open. Oh my god. Okay. Ready? Right. I have so much stuff. These fleeces, I literally pretty much only wear them when I am skiing. I love them, but realistically, I don't wear them that often, and they take up a lot of space in my closet. So they're gonna go in here, and then when ski season comes around, I will put my base layers and other things in here, which would be great because I usually don't have room for them. So let's close that. This has all of my skirts and nice dresses and all that in here. I'm gonna try and fit these guys in there. I don't know if that's gonna work. I'll shove it in the corner. Okay. Let's hang up all of these flannels. I am watching Furry Little Peach on YouTube, so I'm going to do that while I hang up these clothes.
Instead of like a normal generic handle, so it's kind of like leash. Maybe there's like a leash around here. Try, but I just can't board my last flight. And I only wanna be the one told you again. And I swallow like an empty sun, just
So here's a bunch of my favorite sweaters. I think I'm going to choose just a few of them to put up on the far side of the shelf, and then put the rest in the chest, because not all of these are going to fit. And I mean, like, they would fit, but if I grab one, then they're all going to fall down. And then what's the point? So I think I'm just going to choose a few of them to put up there so that I can at least look at them. I think that's the move. Okay. Nice. And I will be uploading a like show and tell try on haul kind of all of my favorite sweaters, so stay tuned for that.
And I only wanna be the one to hold you again. And I swallow like an empty sun, just pulling.
Alrighty, folks, we did it. We did it, Joe. I did end up hanging my jeans, at least my blue jeans, and I like how I organized them by color. It just looks nice, okay? And I did put some of the sweaters up top, and then the rest of them in the chest down here. If you don't know, you shouldn't hang any knitwear on hangers because it stretches out the shoulders and will leave like kind of like points from the hanger, and it just puts a lot of stress on the knit. So you should always fold them and put them away nicely, or hang them over a hanger, like the bottom bit, drape it over that way. That's another option. But I have t-shirts here, pants that aren't blue jeans, but most of them are some sort of like jean material. My button-ups, some skirts, my dressy stuff is tucked away on the side because I don't really use that much, but I want to leave it hanging. And then I have sweatshirts and sweatpants up here, flannels and waffle knits, and it's all organized. Can't believe that it all fit. That's really shocking to me. I do have a load of laundry that I need to put away, so I'm hoping that I don't need any more hangers because I don't have any. We'll see about that. What else? I don't know. I think that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed watching. I like watching like organizing and decluttering videos because it motivates me to go do those things. So hopefully you got a chance to do that as well along with me. Thanks for watching. Like it if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Ugh.